Hi, my name's Lisa. Excuse the bad hair, I got caught in the rain in my recent charity shop haul. But I've just come back from the charity shops in Nantwich and there's a couple open, which is pretty exciting at the moment because obviously not many shops are with the whole COVID stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you some goodies that I've got. We sell a lot of scarves on ASOS, so I bought a few because they're great sellers for us. I bought this for £1. It was from Salvation Army, I think. It's like a really cool 70s original. It can be worn like as a bandana or a neck scarf. I probably wear it like a cute little hair bow. I also got this for £1, again from the same shop. I'm tempted to keep this myself as a little bandana. What else did I get? This other great scarf. Paisley print, classic, great sellers for us. That was also £1, so that'll be going on ASOS. And this, I love animal print, so much so I've even got it tattooed on there. Needs finishing off actually, when tattoo shops are open again. But yeah, I thought this was kind of cool. You could wear it as a shawl or do that around your neck like most people do, like that. Yeah, this was £1.50. So got that. I also bought this cool Star Wars top. I'm not really a Star Wars fan, I'll be honest, but I know other people are. It was £2.50 reduced, and I'm going to cut it into a little crop top and then put that on ASOS Marketplace, so anyone that's a fan, look out for that. What else did I get? Oh, this is an absolute bargain. This is from the other charity shop. Get this. Vivian Westwood, and I paid £5.50 for that. They clearly didn't know what they were selling, but it's an original size medium. It's actually men's, but I'm a huge Vivian Westwood fan. Again, got it tattooed on there, I love it that much. So yeah, I might keep this myself and like tie it in like a little crop top with high-waisted jeans and make it a bit rockabilly. I also bought these jeggings. I don't even wear jeggings, and I don't know why I was tempted by them, but I haven't actually got. I just live in like blue and black jeans and I wanted something different. These are a size 10, they were only £4. I don't even know where they're from, but they look in good condition. Quite summery, which is not appropriate at the moment because the weather's rubbish, but the thought was there. And then to go with it, I kind of thought this. I've recently bought a badge, canal boat, and I couldn't resist this ankle top because it's quite funky. Obviously I like slashes and cuts. This is one of our Pretty Disturbia tops and we sell it on the website by the way if you want one. But yeah, this has like slashes and stuff with it, so I thought that looked quite good with them. And I must be feeling nautical at the moment. I also bought this for my little girl. Cute little pinafore dress. I've got one quite similar actually. I'm a sucker for a pinafore dress. Again, that's why I'm selling on Pretty Disturbia. It's only £1. She's quite fussy, God knows I should wear it, but for £1 I'll take the risk. And what else? Oh yeah, a couple of necklaces. Jewellery is a great seller for us again, and it's just easy to store, it doesn't take up a lot of room. So I bought this nice necklace. That was £1.50. Found this one, which is like, obviously I'll be like linking these up on ASOS and like dressing up like kind of festively boho style. That was £2, but it's quite good quality. It's a nice chunky necklace. I don't really wear necklaces, just chokers and stuff. So yeah, that was it. I'm not sure what I spent because I put it on my card, but I think you'll agree I got some bargains. Anywho, that's me for now. Thanks for watching.